Hello everyone. Today we will write exercises of chapter number 1, the sentences. Yesterday we have studied about sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, sentence means what? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. The words in a sentence should be said or written in a particular order to make sense. If the words are not arranged in particular order, we can't say it a sentence. If there are some words, if there are group of words, but there is no meaning, and the words are not arranged in particular order, so we can't say them sentence, because a sentence is a group of words that make complete sense, and the words should be and the words in a sentence should be said or written in a particular order, okay, to make sense. Okay, now today we will solve exercise. Okay, so exercise A is rearrange the words given below to make meaningful sentences. Okay, in this exercise we have to rearrange the words given below to make meaningful sentences. Here are some group of words and we have to arrange them properly. We have to arrange them in order to make meaningful sentence. Okay, and remember to use capital letters, full stops and question marks correctly. One is done for you. Students, in this exercise, we have to arrange the group of words in a correct order to make meaningful sentence. And one is already done. You can see in your book. Okay, have you taken out your book? Yes. On page number 1, you can see exercise A. There, first example is done. Okay, my country is India. My country is India. So there is no meaning. My country is India, because words are not arranged properly. Okay, so the correct sequence, correct order of this group of words is India is my country. Okay, India is my country. So first is already done. First is already done. Now remaining we have to done. We have to do. Okay, remaining group of words we have to arrange them in correct order. Okay, and see second. He my friend is. He my friend is. So he my friend is. Can you understand anything from these group of words? We can't. Okay, we can't understand anything. He my friend is. Because words are not arranged in proper order. Okay, we can't understand anything. So what we will do? We will arrange these words in a proper order. Okay. So while arranging the words in a proper order, we have to write first subject. We have to write first subject. Okay. Subject means about whom the sentence is saying. About whom the sentence is saying. Okay. Sentence किसके बारे में है? उन वर्ड्स को सब्जेक्ट बोलेंगे. ओके, सो हमें सबसे पहले क्या करना है? इसमें सब्जेक्ट को फाइंड आउट करके उसे सबसे पहले सब्जेक्ट लिखना है, देन वर्ब लिखना है. वर्ब मींस एक्शन वर्ड. वर्ब मींस एक्शन वर्ड. पहले हम सब्जेक्ट लिखेंगे, मींस सेंटेंस में किसके बारे में बताया जा रहा है उसे बोलते हैं सब्जेक्ट. एंड देन वर्ब. वर्ब मींस एक्शन वर्ड. जिससे किसी एक्शन का पता चले वो वर्ब। ओके, देन अदर वर्ड्स। तो इस प्रकार से हमारा सेंटेंस का सीक्वेंस होना चाहिए। क्या होना चाहिए? सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट, सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट। सो सी सेकंड सेंटेंस, he my friend is। so here is subject is he, subject is he, so we will write here he, then verb is, he is, then other words, my friend, he is my friend, full stop. See, the first letter of sentence should be capital letter. Okay, when I have written he, capital H will be capital, H will be capital because first letter of the sentence will be capital, and sentence should be end with full stop or question mark or exclamation mark. Okay, he is my friend. Now we can understand something. Okay, we can get the meaning. He is my friend. Okay, so this sentence is saying that that person is my friend, he is my friend. Okay, then third, their birds wings fly with, their birds wings fly with. These birds are also not in a proper order, so what we will do, we will arrange them in a proper order. Okay, so find the subject. Which is subject? Birds. Birds fly, fly is verb, so we will write B capital, birds fly with, birds fly with their wings. Full stop. Okay, birds fly with their wings. Then third sentence, third group of word is cannot see blind man up. Cannot see blind man up. Okay, so here we will write first blind man, blind man. A blind man, a blind man, a blind man is a subject. Then cannot see, a blind man cannot see. Full stop. A blind man cannot see. अब जो यहाँ पे हम जो वर्ड्स अरेंज कर रहे हैं, so we are getting meaning here. Okay, in third sentence, birds fly with their wings, birds fly with their wings. Okay, then in fourth sentence, a blind man cannot see. A blind man means a man whose eyes are not proper. Okay, a blind man means a man who do not have eyes. Okay, a blind man means a man who do not have eyes. So a blind man cannot see anything. Okay, then fifth, my book is where? My book is where? So the correct sentence will be where is my book? Okay. So W will be capital. Where is my book? Where is my book? Which mark will be here? Question mark. Because where is my book? The sentence is asking something. The sentence is asking something. When the sentence asks something, we put question mark at the end. Okay, where is my book? Then sixth group of words is in ducks water swim. In ducks water swim. In ducks water swim. So the correct sequence will be in ducks water swim. So correct sequence will be ducks swim in water. Ducks swim in water. Ducks swim in water. Full stop. Ducks swim in water. Now we are getting meaning. Okay, here. When we arrange the words in a proper particular order, then we get the meaning. Okay, so we can say them sentences. If words are arranged in a particular order and it's started with capital letter and add with full stop or question mark, we can say them sentence. Okay, so students, write the answers of second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth in your book. Write fast. Now, in seventh, beautiful flower, the rose is a. Beautiful flower, the rose is a. These words are given in seventh. Now we will arrange them. Okay. A rose is the beautiful flower. A rose is the beautiful flower. Okay. In seventh, words are given. Beautiful flower, the rose is a. So we will arrange them in proper order. A rose is the beautiful flower. Then 8. Mr. Sharma, teacher is English hour. So, Mr. Sharma is our English teacher. Okay, there should be full stop at the end and first letter will be capital. Okay, and the first letter of English is also capital because English is a subject. English is a proper noun. English is a proper noun. Okay. Then in ninth, the faithful dog is a animal. So we will write properly a dog. A dog is the faithful animal. A dog is the faithful animal. Then 10th, 40 these book pages has. 40 these book pages has. So this book has 40 pages. This book has 40 pages. Understood, students? So like this we have to write the sentences in a proper order. Okay, I have completed here till 10. Remaining 11 to 15 you have to do. If you can write 11 to 15, please try to write by pencil in your book. Okay, you have to write anything in your book by pencil. Okay, so on board I have written the correct sentences till 10, and remaining 11 to 15 you have to solve. Okay, so please write 11 to 15 in your book and WhatsApp me on my private number. Okay, bye.